We're all aware of what a life-saving ingredient aloe vera is, and that it can be used all over your body inside and out to benefit you in many ways. You can buy it stored in a bottle or extract it fresh from a leaf by cutting it open and scooping the gel out. Most cosmetic moisturizers today are filled with the goodness of aloe because of its ability to boost skin moisture. If you have oily skin, go the DIY route and mix 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel with some rose water to make your own moisturizer. Aloe vera offers better hydration for a longer period and creates a protective layer around your skin, keeping the skin soft and supple. Mix together vegetable glycerin, 2 vitamin E capsules, and some aloe vera gel to make your own anti-aging mask. Everyone loves a good facial mist, especially one that makes your skin glow. Just cut up a cucumber and blend it before placing it in a muslin cloth and squeezing out all the juice. Add a tablespoon of aloe vera gel and 1/3 cup of distilled water. The cooling effect of cucumber soothes the skin while the aloe vera hydrates and cleanses it. Acne can ruin your day like nothing else, but this magic ingredient will definitely come to your rescue. Remove some green tea leaves from a tea bag and soak them in a teaspoon of hot water. Add in some aloe vera gel and apply it to the affected areas. The soothing properties in aloe vera reduce inflamed skin and help treat blemishes and scars. What if we told you that you can make your own hand sanitizer that isn't just effective but also smells amazing? Simply mix 1 cup of aloe vera gel, 1 tablespoon of witch hazel, a 1/4 teaspoon of vitamin E oil, and 8 to 10 drops of lavender and peppermint essential oil. Aloe vera hydrates and nourishes the skin while creating a protective layer around it, leaving it soft and clean. Every woman is faced with stretch marks at some point in our lives. But did you know that the compounds in aloe vera help repair skin and generate the growth of new cells? When applied topically, aloe vera can lighten stretch marks and shrink warts, healing as well as softening your skin. If aloe vera leaves your skin gorgeous and glowy, imagine what it can do to your hair. Add 2 tablespoons of aloe vera juice to a cup of water, and then add in 1 teaspoon of vegetable glycerin, 1 tablespoon of apricot oil, 2 teaspoons of vitamin E oil, and 2 teaspoons of sesame oil. Spray this mixture on your scalp and leave it for 30 minutes. Aloe vera conditions and nourishes the scalp while boosting the vitality and shine of your hair. Did you know that when consumed in small quantities, the laxative properties in aloe vera can aid weight loss? Heat a glass of water with some aloe vera gel and stir until the gel is completely dissolved. Add some lemon juice to the water and drink it first thing in the morning. It can drain your body of excess water and unwanted toxins while also boosting your metabolism. The therapeutic properties in aloe vera have definitely made it a favorite in most households, and we hope these tips help it make its way into yours as well. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.